What's up, YouTube? It's your boy back again with another video. Today's video, y'all already know what we doing by the title, so make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe before this video starts. But let's get straight to this video/review. You feel me? Let's get straight to this video, man. Subscribe to join the team, the gang. We're gonna be dropping videos after videos after videos, so make sure y'all stay tuned for that. But like I said, we gonna be having some new content drop, some different content. I ain't really do this type of content, but I am gonna be doing this content. But as y'all know by the title and by the thumbnail, y'all already know what's going on. So let's dig into this. Okay, so sorry y'all know I got the new setup. If you didn't watch that video, make sure y'all go watch that right now. It might be right there, but it's definitely gonna be in the description down below. And at the end of this video, if you stay to the end of this video, it's gonna be at the end. So make sure y'all stay tuned for that, and make sure if y'all haven't watched that, make sure y'all go watch that right now to see where I'm at. Because if you don't know where I'm at and you just watching this video, you wouldn't know. But if you subscribe and join the game and go watch the last video, you will know. But okay, guys, so we got a SPRAYGROUND book bag. This book bag is gonna be for YouTube stuff and some personal stuff. You feel me? Because I was using this as my personal bag, but I can't keep using that. So we about to get in and just see what the book bag looks like. I've been waiting. This. I can't even talk no more. I'm like, damn. So we do got the fire book bag. You feel me? This. Let's see what else ain't nothing. Can't really have. Got a lot of room in here. But this is the book bag. You feel me? The official book bag off the site. Let's see how this book bag review is. It smells good. You feel me? It smells good. But this is what the book bag look like. I like this. Cause you know, it make it, you know, you feel certified. This definitely staying on here. Yeah, man. This book bag is good. They got this on here too. This lit. We lit, y'all. They got many different pockets in here or whatnot. Nice. It's just perfect of what I'm using it for. It got a side pocket right here. It got a it's just perfect for what I'm using it for. If you want to purchase this book bag, or they got many different book bags, the description will be, the link will be in the description down below if you want to get this book bag. But I got this book bag for many different, well, not many different reasons. For one reason, really just to keep my stuff in and my YouTube stuff. This book bag is literally like, you know how girls have purses? Just like my man purse like that, because I'm gonna have like all my stuff in here. We got the little bag, you feel me? It's lit. They was really out of stock on the good bags, but hey, but this one is good one too. It's a SPRAYGROUND book bag. They sell all different types of graphic book bags. So if you want one like this, or want a graphic book bag, or if you want a book bag with a gold bill on it and more worth, man, go get y'all one. I'm telling y'all, it's worth it. Let's see if y'all can hear. Damn, having trouble get the motherfucker out. But yeah, man, this is the review. trying to get it off. Matter of fact, I'm about to let y'all. Oh yeah, this certified. I'm about to start actually putting stuff in here, so you feel me? Like, we just preparing ourselves. You feel me? Already we got the Max books. You feel me? You know we gotta have that. The charger is out there, but we ain't worried about that right now. And then in here, I don't really think I can show y'all this on camera, but it's not nothing bad. I don't really want to show that. First of all, we got all the credit cards. These ain't even all my credit cards, but you feel me? But you feel me? Got the cards, You gotta put that in a spot y'all can't see, you feel me? Because it's gonna take y'all a minute to have to go in my book bag to find what y'all trying to find. Because you're being nosy. So we definitely got the portable charger. If you know, you know. Simple. If you know, you know. We got the Pandora box. Like I said, if you know, you know. We got another box just to have. Like I said, if you know, you know. I ain't gonna keep saying it. If you know, you know. Got the. Can't let y'all read that, but if you know, you know. I'm not gonna keep saying it. You know, you know. Then we got the. Can't show y'all that. Can't show y'all that. Can't even show y'all that, man. I'm just gonna drop that at the bottom of the bag. And then we got the This is actually really heavy duty. Barely got to use it yet, but I wonder if that one fit in my book bag, but I doubt it. But yeah, man, this is the review. I mean, ooh, that MacBook heavy. But I like it. I'm happy that it came. I like it. I like it. Like I said, it's gonna be in the description down below. It was nothing. It's not over. You won't spend over $100 getting a book bag. But yeah, if I was you, I would go get you one. This video is not sponsored by them, but I mean, why not? I support everybody. Actually, if you got a business, if you selling something, you feel me, just send it to me. I got you. I promote you. I support you. I buy from you. I shop with you. All that. But man, yeah, that's all we had today. We have a couple. Oh, so yeah, that's another thing that we're gonna be doing is like unboxing stuff, because I buy so much stuff. Unboxing stuff. This charger is going in my bag too. Unboxing stuff and stuff like that. And so we got another video dropping like that really soon. Actually, it comes Friday. Today is Wednesday, but it comes Friday, so I'll probably make that video real quick on those. So yeah, make sure I stay tuned, because we are gonna be dropping good content. So yeah, if you're not subscribed, you might want to subscribe like right now, because I ain't even gonna keep talking to you. Because if you just need to subscribe, I'm not about to keep begging you to subscribe. If I tell you need to, then motherfucker, you need to. I'm not gonna keep telling you. I don't know what's wrong with people, bro. I swear, people do not just get it. Why can't you just subscribe? I'm asking you, please, can you subscribe? Can you leave a like? Can you comment how the video? Did you like it? Do you think you're gonna get you one? Damn. That's what's wrong with people. I'm done with this video, man. Like, comment, and subscribe. If you ain't gonna subscribe, then I still love you for watching this video.